Introducing the revolutionary Attitude and Heading Reference System AHRS, a technology that is redefining how we navigate. At the heart of modern aviation, automotive, and robotic systems, AHRS leverages MEMS inertial sensors and advanced algorithms to provide real, precise attitude data. From pitch to yaw, roll to heading, AHRS delivers it all instantly. Whether it's helping drones stabilize flight, preventing cars from rolling over, ships navigating rough seas, or robots maneuvering with precision, AHRS is ubiquitous. Compact, lightweight, and low power, AHRS integrates seamlessly into a wide range of systems, providing fast startup and high dynamic response to meet high-frequency, real-time control requirements. With its precise performance, AHRS ensures reliable attitude and heading information, providing crucial support for safety, navigation, and control. Even in virtual reality, AHRS tracks your head movement for an enhanced immersive experience. This technology extends beyond the skies and roads. It's redefining how we interact with the world. AHRS, your gateway to accurate, reliable, and cost-effective navigation, empowering the technologies of tomorrow.